How to transfer a Google account to another phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, in one phone, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on accounts. After you're in accounts, select the account you want to transfer. After you've selected the account you want to transfer, it will lead you to this page. Here, click on account sync. After you click on account sync in here, turn on everything and sync everything. After you've done that, in another phone that you want to transfer to, open Google and click on your profile at the top right. After you click on your profile, scroll down and click on add another account. After you click on add another account, log in to the same Google account you synced. After you're logged in, everything will transfer in this phone. This is how to transfer a Google account to another phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.